Good afternoon, guys. It's Saturday afternoon, just gone 12 o'clock, so we're out here for a overnighter just to have a woodland break. So I'm out here with Daryl, and Yohan has just bailed on us. So it's the two of us at the moment, and my nephew Kyron might be joining us about 4. So we're just going to get the tarp up, so we've got a dry area, we're expecting rain, and we'll just bring you along for the camp. We've got the tarp up, we've got the Tatonka 4x3, just need a shelter area. So all we've done is, for total easy use of up and down in, is just bungeed all 4 corners, as you can see, and then we've just got a hikeman pull, and then we've just got half a squash ball. So I've just got half a squash ball there just to protect the tarp a bit. Obviously he's going to flap a bit in the wind and we'll lose the centre pole if it goes up, but if we do get any drizzle or rain, then we've got a dry area. So that's the plan for the shelter, and I've set up my Palmerston swag, and all I've done is put a 3x3 tarp up above it, just to, if it does any rain, it's easier to dry a tarp than it is a swag. We may as well get in and try it out. So I can have the vent open tonight, as long as it's not hammering down with rain, and look out. See the fire burning? Plenty of room for me to sit up in the swag anyway. So we've just dug the fire pit out. It was quite moist here, and tonight, for one night only, we'll be cooking with the Afghan pot. So Daryl scrubbed him, we've got to season him in, and we're having beef curry tonight. Get a little fire going, get a kettle on, and then we'll have some lunch. Okay, give you a quick look how the camp is going to go. So Daryl's setting up there. So we got the black table for washing up and general camp life. Lifesaver bottle gives us the water. Cool box for his beers, chairs. Little Dave Fry's pouch here for his kapilka. Camp stuff in the middle. My bag, chair, and they got the Trangia going for a brew. Okay, so we've got a nice little fire going, and a cup of tea. Right, we'll try and get the filming of the process of this now. So first of all, toast your buns off. They can be done in advance, so it doesn't matter. The crisp on the brioche bun gives you a nice texture. So Daryl has, he's the Jeremy Beadle one, that one.
Yeah, wee one.
So we've got burgers there, so we're going to smash them now. I'll see if I can put you on the tripod.
You ready?
Yeah. A Bentley Doodle. Because they're quite thick.
Yeah.
Oh, that was going to be a
Double stacker. Oh, sliding off.
Snickers in my house.
Messy eating.
Oh, it's fucking good. Guys, we're going to season up the Afghan pot now. So Daryl scrubbed him with soapy water first of all, and then we've chucked some onions, a bit of leftover salt and pepper in there, and we're going to get that on an intense heat now, build a fire up and season him off. Then we might put some water in there, give him a pressurise just to clean any engineering debris out, and then we'll cook beef curry on there later, which is going to be nice. Okay, so we've cleaned the Petromax pan off and that's having a re-season. Kettle's on, and then we've just restocked the fire now, and then we've just got the onions with oil in there now, and we'll season the Afghan pot off. And then we got a nice big lump of brisket. It's all go. I mean, not like we come away and don't do anything. It's non-stop, man. Okay, so we've fried some onions up, just dropped some fluid in there. Daryl's just making the bomb.
Make the bomb. Run.
Oh, you can't say bomb on YouTube. I pick it up, bomb, ba bomb, 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 ba bomb, bomb.
Right,
I'll do.
That's right. That's tight enough, isn't it?
Take this fuck.
We just hang him, or we just put him on the...
I just put him to the side of this now. I'll move the frying pan out of the way. And then just put him by there. On it too close to him.
See what happens.
Yeah. If anybody finds this recording, this is what happened. We had a pressurised container on a fire, and
it's from Afghanistan.
yeah. Well, Kyron's just turned up. Don't know what he's sleeping in.
Neither do I.
Let's just watch and amuse ourselves. I don't think, yeah, that's right, just sleeping in like that. See that confused look on his face? Oh yeah, that's right, yeah. Was that saying there? Kamikaze?
Huh?
Kamikaze. Oh, camp, right, I thought I said Kamikaze. That's had 30 minutes with water and onions in it now. So that should clean it off. Onions will get rid of any nasties in there. And steam kills everything. Okay, so we survived. We've opened the pot up. Those onions, Daryl's going to pick an onion out there now and see if it's nice and soft. On you, Daryl.
Yeah.
Should be cleaned out enough. We'll just let that cool down. Right, we're going to start the curry. So the plan is to make the curry as we would normally in the pan. So just boil everything off, brown the meat in the pan, put that in there, and then we can just leave it sit. And then when we're ready to eat, then we're just going to pressurise it in a cooker, and then hopefully the meat will be nice and tender. That's the plan. Hey Kai, what's the plan?
Put it all in the pan.
Man.
So we fried off the onions, chilli, garlic, and just put some paste in the ghee. We've heated the pan up now, so we've got beef brisket. So Daryl's about to do that. We'll get a nice bit of colour on the brisket then, chop him back up, put him back in the pan. Beef has had a good searing in the Petromax FP40. So in there now is the tomato, chickpeas, a little bit of stock, water. Everything's been fried off. So we'll just bring that up. So it's basically how we would normally make a curry, but with the beef. We're just going to do it in the pressure cooker, so hopefully it'll be fall apart tender.
Are you ready? Yeah.
So we're just sealing up the pot for curry time. It is now 6:40, so they reckon about an hour. It could probably be done quicker, but we want a nice tender beef curry. So we're going to go for an hour on a medium heat, just to the side. Not intense, like gas mark or wood mark, bastard hot. So we're just going to, nice controlled heat next to the fire, just so it's gently hissing along, and then hopefully we'll have a nice beef curry. So I got a brew on the go by here. Pot's on, so we're just gonna have a chill now. Firewood collection is done. All the camp chores are done. It's just time for chilling now. You're now right, Kai. Curry's had an hour. Oh, so we're just opening the pot to see what we can see.
Ready to have a look? The reveal. Oh, there's a load of liquid in that there.
Yeah,
We didn't know that we probably didn't need to add that extra, but
that's all okay. We can let him bubble away. That's just steam.
yeah, want to try a bit?
That's better, man.
It's gonna be up. Can I squeeze in
Fuck
for?
me, that's boiling.
Is it? Is it hot?
It's weird, isn't it?
Squeeze it first, see if it's tender.
Yeah, I missed my fork.
Oh, you got the kids' forks or your own?
We'll see.
We got Peppa Pig forks.
Yeah, we have to reduce that down, it'd be good then.
Are they new forks?
Yep.
Are tender or hard?
Feels hard.
Little chewy.
A little chewy.
Should we,
Bubble it down with the top off, then, is it?
I think I might need to pressure cook it a bit if it's still chewy.
Not really chewy, but
Do you want to try
chewy.
it a bit?
nice.
Just to see.
Yeah. Put them back in.
Yeah. Re-pressure cook.
Re-pressure cook. Higher
At least we know
tip.
we've got plenty of liquid now.
Yeah, higher tip.
Should we stick them on the coals and get it proper?
Hang it from the hanger, I would. Get a proper temp into it.
Smells nice, though.
Yeah, right, so we've just had it hanging off the tripod in the fire, and both valves have gone off now, so we've probably got the temperature up there. So hopefully that's the bit of pressurised cooking we needed to get it. Yeah, it does smell nice. I had a waft of that. So we'll let that chill now, and then we'll have a recheck of the beef. Just going to release some heat. Smells like curry.
That's more like it, isn't it? We didn't get that before, did we?
Yeah, I think we were just nervous about getting the temperature up there, but the first time we're using it, so it's trial and error now. Kyron will get his Peppa Pig fork out in a minute and try another piece of beef after it's been blasting for 30 minutes.
Take two.
Oh yeah, that's the simmer. Anything stuck?
No, seems
No
okay.
stuck in? Cool.
That's good.
Try it.
Thickened up a bit, so.
Yeah?
Yeah. The birth.
Come on, Peppa Pig. Oh look, I went in a bit more.
Oh, yeah, I can feel that.
Blow it. Blow it more. Yeah.
Yeah, that rested either, is that better?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Mm.
So there you are. Get it bastard hot. Success. Well done, Dad.
Let's just take that flame away from it.
So the curry's taken in up now. We've taken our off, and we got Daryl picked some naan breads up from Masala Bazaar in Newport. The curry's there, ready to go. Campfire curry. Is there anything better on a Saturday night? Jolly good. Okay guys, got the curry. It's served. And we got big ass naan bread as well.
A small ass plate.
Rip, tear and share. Let's have a bit of a dipper first with a bit of rider. Try him. That is tremendo.
Just in case, it's like walking again.
Afghan curry. Let's try a little bit of that beef. So that's the beef. Melt in the mouth. Right. Don't want to see meat curry. Yeah, plenty. That curry was spot on. So Daryl's just doing the washing up, burning his hands in the washing up water. The washing up station under there. But that's all done now. I would tidy up camp, and then it's just a rip roaring fire and a few beers and a bit of whiskey. So I'm going to probably sign you off here now because there's not much to see unless we go down and see the meteor shower later. Morning guys. So we're up. We have a little bit of rain in the night, about 5 o'clock. Everything seems pretty dry in the night. Slept pretty well. Forgot my pee bottle though, so I had to get up nature-y, so wandering around the woods in my pants and Crocs. Well, Kyron's still on his phone now. He's been on it constant. So kettle's on, and I've popped a coffee bag in there. I'm going to try a coffee. See if I get a nice strong coffee in the morning. And then we've got bacon and eggs. Bacon and egg in a bat. The Petromax pan did as well. Bacon and eggs in there. Eggs didn't stick at all, so I re-seasoned, cleaned the pan. Now it's the old pack away time now, which nobody wants to do. Okay, we just about packed up. Got away without any, without the rain. A few odds and sods to do around camp, but nice enjoyable night around the fire. Nice big Welsh fire, nice and chilled. Now we've got to get back to the house and unpack it all. If you watched the video this long, thanks for watching and thanks for clicking on my video, and we'll catch you on the next one.